What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how much I made from a recent viral video that I published on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes, show you how much I was making per day, per week, per month, everything like that. And I'm also going to give you about 5 different YouTube tips for monetizing your channel, monetizing your videos, creating these viral videos, and just making money off YouTube in general. So if you give me about 10 minutes in this video, you'll have everything you need to know. So let's jump into it. So the way that this all happened, a few months back, I woke up pretty early in the morning, and one of the first things I do is I check my YouTube analytics, which is probably not a good idea. You probably want to start your day off doing something productive. But anyways, I was looking at my YouTube analytics, and I had all these comments, and I'll put a screenshot of the comments here in the video. As you can see, just tons and tons of comments, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And then I looked at the analytics a little bit closer, and I saw that one of my videos had just basically skyrocketed. It had taken off like I've never seen before. And this was also completely organic traffic. I wasn't running any paid ads. I wasn't doing anything. I was just wondering what the heck was going on. And something to know is that with YouTube's algorithm, sometimes the algorithm will just take a video if it's shown to enough people that it's getting views, getting watch time, and it will just put it all over YouTube. And that's what happened with this one. As you can see, I had like 22 million impressions over a certain period of time, which is insane. Okay, so here's the actual analytics on this one particular video. And as you can see, got 300,000 views. And I know, some people are like, a viral video needs to get like 10 million views. Well, 300,000 was viral enough for my channel. I'm not a massive YouTube channel. And I also got these 300,000 views. It says the last 90 days, but it was really just within this time frame of, almost under a month. And as you can see at the peak, it got about almost 20,000 views in one day, which is pretty insane if you were to average that out over the course of a year. You can see the watch time here. I got 7.2 thousand hours of watch time. So at the peak, it was getting about 279 hours. I mean, even these numbers are crazy. Even when it went down, it's still a ton of hours of watch time every single day. I mean, 53 hours, it's 2 days of watch time, across the world. Subscribers, I got some subscribers from this, 593. Not bad. I'm not mad about it. So usually this video was getting me about 2 or 3, 1 subscribers. One day it got me 34 subscribers, 25, 20. Then it went back down. Here's the revenue. This is probably what everyone's been looking for. So the most amount I made was $43. The way YouTube works, it kind of goes in these valleys and peaks. So with all your videos and with your channel, you're going to have some days where it's kind of low. I mean, I was only making $6 per day from this one video, and then it'll bounce right back up. So it depends on just when people are watching and that type of thing. And for some reason, I wasn't making anything for this week. I'm not sure if that's inaccurate or if there was something else going on. But overall, obviously I'm pretty happy with 1287. I'm not going to retire off that type of money, but if you think about it like this, let's say 1287 over the last 90 days, and most of this was really just made in, like a month or two. But that averages out 1287 divided by 3 months. That averages out to about $430 every single month. So you could think of that almost like a little rental property, except obviously you don't have to do like property management and deal with tenants and things like that. So how many of these videos would you need to actually like quit your job? I mean, to make $10,000, per month on YouTube just from the ad revenue, and we're going to talk about additional monetization strategies in a second here. But if you had, let's say, 15 or 20 of these types of videos that are each making $400 to $500 per month, you're making $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 every single month just from a YouTube ad revenue. Another thing I want to note is that if I go over the past year from this one video, you can see I published it here. And I wasn't making that much. And then all of a sudden, YouTube just blew it up, out of proportion. So that's something to know with YouTube videos. Sometimes you have to be patient. You can publish a video, and it might not do anything for, like 6 months or even a year. And then if you've properly optimized it, which we'll talk about in a second here, and people start watching it and engaging with the video, YouTube can just promote it, out to everybody essentially. And that's the big difference between YouTube and a lot of these other social media channels. YouTube, you really have to be patient, put out a lot of content. And there's more of a barrier to entry with YouTube because you actually have to edit some of these videos and really put some thought into these videos. You don't have to go overboard, but it's more so than just like some random Instagram video of your cat or something like that. Now, the way that YouTube's ad revenue works is something called CPM. So YouTube ad revenue pays out based on the CPM, the cost per mile. And the highest cost per mile videos are going to be in like the real estate, personal finance, kind of like making money niche. as opposed to like prank channels. Like you could have a prank channel with like, 100 million views, but the ad revenue is not going to be anywhere near as much as, something related to personal finance, making money, real estate, because the advertisers want to advertise to people that potentially might have money or, can spend and afford different things. So someone on a prank channel might just be like some 13-year-old kid, like watching, different random pranks and things like that. It's not a very targeted audience. So my CPM on this video was about $4.50 per 1,000 views. So in real estate and finance, usually it's actually higher. Usually it can be anywhere from like $8 per mile to up to like 15, 25, even higher than that. But for every 1,000 views, I made about $4 or $5, which was pretty cool. Definitely my most successful video by far. Now, as far as additional streams of revenue and income from some of these YouTube videos, some of these viral videos, I had a huge opportunity here that I missed out on. But it's not my fault either. So a lot of companies offer something called affiliate marketing, where if you promote their product and you put a link to it and someone purchases it, they will give you a portion of the sale proceeds. Like, for example, ClickFunnels. If you're familiar with ClickFunnels, their membership is like $250 a month, something like that. And if you refer other people to ClickFunnels, you get paid basically 40% of that every single month for the lifetime of that customer, which is kind of crazy if you really think about it. That's a pretty significant amount. That's probably why ClickFunnels has been able to grow into basically like a $100 million business. And it seems nowadays that every single company out there has an affiliate program, because it makes sense. If you like the product and you refer it, you should be able to get paid. However, this company did not have an affiliate program, so I missed out on potentially tens of thousands of dollars by not including an affiliate link. And because this was a software, the video was actually the DocuSign tutorial video. So if you look that up on my channel, that's the video that went viral. Now, before I made this video, I tried to find if there was an affiliate program for DocuSign, because it's a software. So if someone likes a software, presumably you would think they should have an affiliate program so you could send other people to use that service. But unfortunately, they did not. So I'm actually just going to do the math here and show you how much potential passive income per month I missed out on because they did not have an affiliate program. And I didn't make the video just to do an affiliate. Like, I actually liked the service and I wanted to do a tutorial video. But just to give you an idea on the amount of passive income I missed out on, as well as all the customers that DocuSign probably missed out on, here we go. So 300,000 views, right? Let's just put a comma right in there. Times 1%. So let's say 1% of people actually watch the video and then say, I kind of like this service. I kind of want to use it. So 300,000, and that might be a little high, but these are just ballpark numbers here. So 300,000 times 1%, and this initial service with DocuSign I think is $10 per month, and then they have 25, and I think it's like 50. So they have different levels. But let's go with the lowest amount. Let's just say $10 per month. Let's say 1% of people purchase it $10 per month, and let's assume that it's like ClickFunnels and it's a 40% affiliate payout, which ClickFunnels has a pretty good affiliate program, so not every affiliate program is going to be like that. But if we do the numbers here, then that would be 3,000 new customers, and 40% of $10 is obviously $4. So let's say $4. So that would be $12,000 per month in passive income I potentially could have made from just this one video. And that's obviously in addition to, all the ad revenue I'm making. And then if people watch one of my videos, sometimes they might want to watch other videos. So I make ad revenue off those other videos as well if they decide to watch them. So with just one YouTube video, you can actually get paid in a ton of different ways. You can make the affiliate income, you can make the ad revenue income. If you have like programs or courses, you can make that income. If you have additional videos, obviously, like I said, people can watch those. There's a lot of different aspects of potential revenue with YouTube videos. And now just a couple tips on really how to maximize that income. So first off, you want to make sure your videos are well optimized. I use a service called vidIQ, and I'll put a link to it below, an affiliate link. But vidIQ is amazing. And I actually have a tutorial video on how to use that as well. But before you upload your video, it'll tell you everything you need to do to optimize it so that it can meet its fullest potential. And you can have a horrible video, and if you optimize it 100%, it's still not going to do very well. You need to have a good video, but you also need to optimize it. And that's going to be things like having a custom thumbnail, putting keywords in there, putting in a good description, adding thumbnails to the end of your video, and different things like that. And it'll basically have like a checklist for you of different things you need to do to maximize the video's potential. Another thing you should do to make money off YouTube and potentially get one of these viral videos, or at least gain some traction, is to do different styles of videos. For example, I'm in the real estate investing niche, personal finance niche, real estate niche, and I do a combination of videos because I don't always know which one the YouTube algorithm is just going to like pick up and throw in front of the entire world, essentially. So I do like walkthrough videos, before and after videos. I do tutorial videos. I do videos, where I'm just like giving tips. I do interview style videos. You want to do like a wide range of videos just to increase the likelihood that one of your videos could really take off. There's this one guy that I know in the real estate niche, and he has like 40 or 50 videos, and they're all exactly the same. They're like 5 or 10 minutes long and just kind of him giving tips, but none of them have any views whatsoever. I think his highest view count is like 10 or 20, maybe 50. And I think it's because he's not trying different styles of videos. I think if he tried different styles of videos, he would find something that would really catch on. And with YouTube, you always have to be patient because sometimes 6 months or 12 months down the road, one of your videos could blow up. But when you're getting started, try to experiment as much as possible with different styles. Another tip for maximizing your YouTube ad revenue is to not curse or do anything controversial or even have like music playing in the background. I know some creators, they had like a song playing in the background, even though it was like 5 seconds and it wasn't even like part of their video. Like they might have just been in like a coffee shop. YouTube can actually give you like a copyright strike and demonetize or sometimes remove your video for that. So definitely don't curse. If you do anything controversial or talk about controversial subjects, sometimes YouTube can actually remove your video. Sometimes they can just demonetize you, but they're pretty conservative when it comes to this. So you really want to be on the safe side here. They're also always like updating their policy. So you want to try to stay up to date with big name YouTubers or different articles about what YouTube will accept, what they won't accept, that type of thing. The next tip is if you get a viral video, you want to double down or triple down or quadruple down on that same style of content. So I did a tutorial video, so what I should do is like 4 or 5 more tutorial style videos in the exact same format that I made this video. And ideally about the same subject, but obviously I can't do like 10 tutorial videos about, the same thing. It's going to be kind of repetitive. But you want to try to do them around the same subject and same style as the original viral video. And that's how you can really like blow up your brand. I mean, if you see a lot of the top YouTubers and you sort their videos by views, which is pretty easy to do, you'll see that they had one video that completely blew up, and then they made like 3 or 4 other videos basically very similar to that original one. So that's how you're going to really grow your content and views and ad revenue. The next thing you want to keep in mind, and this is so important, and most YouTubers don't even know about this, most people don't know about this. I learned this from Graham Stephan, who makes over 6 figures per month just from the ad revenue on his YouTube channel, not including his programs, affiliate courses, all that type of stuff. And that is to do at least 10-minute long videos. And the reason you want to do 10-minute long videos is if you do a video at 9 minutes and 59 seconds, you can only have one ad in that video at the beginning. Maybe you can have one at the end, I'm not sure. But if you do 10-minute long videos or longer, you can put as many ads as you want into the video. And you don't want to just bombard people with ads. But if you have a 10-minute video, you can put an ad just in the middle of your video, after 5 minutes, just to split up the content. And that could potentially double or, drastically increase the amount of ad revenue you're making from that one video. Much less if you did that across a channel with like 100 videos. And that's something that Graham Stephan talks about. So he was comparing his channel with another big time YouTuber's channel. And the other big time YouTuber was making like twice the ad revenue. And Graham was like, what the heck is going on? We have the same amount of views, similar content. And the guy was saying because he's doing 10-minute videos and he's putting an ad or sometimes more than one ad into his videos. So very important. Next up, you want to make sure you keep your expectations in line. So don't make like 3 or 4 videos and expect one of them to go viral. You should make like at least 25, 30, maybe even 100 videos. Some YouTubers talk about you can't even start YouTubing until you've made 100 videos. Because after 100 videos, you've pretty much found your voice. You've made a lot of crappy videos. You've probably made some amazing videos. You know what the algorithm's looking for. You know how to optimize your videos. And your chances of making more viral videos are significantly improved. So you really need to just get out there and publish as much content as possible. All right, so thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I will personally respond to every reasonable question. And definitely smash that like button if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.